Welcome to the KATon Learning Application Platform. KATon is a holistic learning management system with wholesome learning content and composite value for education training. This customized platform is a comprehensive knowledge hub. The overarching objective of KATon is the digitalization of education and learning in an efficient, sustainable manner. KATon provides virtual and collaborative learning management functionalities, including digital content distribution of educational materials and bespoke training, among others. All GES accredited textbooks, teachers' guides and worksheets are available for students and teachers on KATon. KATon provides the capacity for explorative learning and interactive virtual classes at all educational levels. Our goal is to ensure teachers and students are operating at peak efficiency through democratization of access to world-class learning resources without demographic barrier. The platform offers two main training options to participants: recorded online training and online or virtual live training. The KATon Learning application is designed to work both offline and online to accommodate our local peculiarities and challenges. Training resources and content include PDF and videos which have been uploaded and are accessible on the platform. As a KATon user, you have access to training materials both online and offline. After a successful submission of training attestation, there is an online post-training evaluation test with automated certificate issuance. All training resources are available to teachers during and after the program.
Hello everybody. Welcome once again to the KATon Application Center. In this section, we are actually going to take you basically through the application where you can actually log in or sign up and go through the whole platform. So if you are a new user, what you would have to do first and foremost is that you would have to sign up onto the platform. Now, in signing up onto the platform, there are three options. It's either you sign up using your Gmail account, or you sign up using your Facebook account. If you don't have a Gmail or Facebook account, then it means you would have to create an account on the KATon platform. So in creating an account, you will first and foremost have to enter your full name, your email address, your country code, your phone number, your password, address, your country, your region, and then you sign up onto the account. So for instance, if you don't have an account with the KATon application and you want to sign up, this is first and foremost what you would have to do. You would enter your name here, so say Kofi Menu, and then you enter your email address, Kofi Menu at gmail.com, and then you enter your country code. In our instance, we are in Ghana, so our country code is +233. Then you enter your phone number, say 0543 76 5432. Then you enter your password, which is of course supposed to be a strong password, so maybe a password like this. Then you enter your address, maybe East Legon, then your country. As I said earlier, we are in Ghana, so we select Ghana, and then you choose the region, say Greater Accra, and then you accept the terms and conditions, and then you sign up. In an instance where you don't want to sign up creating an account and you want to use your Gmail account, you go directly to log in using your Gmail. The page will load and then automatically takes you to your Gmail account. and then you sign in straight with your Gmail account. So as you can see, it's been configured using my Gmail account, just to check the authenticity of my Gmail account. Great. So as you can see, I'm logged in now using my Gmail account. So this is one way you can log in onto your KATon platform, where you could access the numerous books and courses that we have online. In an instance where you don't want to use your Gmail account to log in, you can equally use your Facebook account to log in. So you basically go through the same procedure that I went through. You click on login using you click on the button that says login using your Facebook account. It will take you through the various authentications, and then you can equally get logged in. Or you could equally go through the filling of the form, where you type your name, your number, your Gmail address, and all the fields, and then you can confirm your address, and it would equally log you in. Okay. So welcome once again to the KATon platform application. So as you can see on the screen, on the immediate top left corner of the screen, you can see that we have the home key, or the home button, the books button, the courses button, and then my library. So let's take it one by one and then explore it. Now click on the home page, and this is what you have. You could basically see generally everything on the home page. When you scroll down, you'll see that you can have a portion where it says select main category. You can click on this drop down, and it gives you the categories that you can select through. Basically, you have anthologies, you have GES resources, you have GES videos, you have science textbook, and so on and so forth. So you could basically select through whichever application you want here. You could also see that right beneath that there are free resources here, and then we have paid resources here. So these are some of the free books that you can actually access on the KATon platform. With this particular portion, you would have to probably pay for the books that are available there. Okay, so that is it with the home page. Now, regarding the books as well, when you click on the books, you realize that you have basically all the books on the platform. So as you might have seen on the home page, we have various books here. We have Asante Tree, and so on and so forth. You can actually navigate through the platform, and you would see that we have varieties of books here. So this is the second page of the books, and you can realize that there is religious and moral education here. We have core English summary here. We have English oral here as well. When you go on the third page, you would again realize that there are series and series of books here. So basically, the books section gives you all the books that you will need as a GES student, sorry, as a teacher or as a student. You can equally move to the courses section, and at the courses section, you realize that you have a portion that says information communication technology, which is ICT skills acquisition for teachers. Now, if you click on the details here, you would realize that there are two options where you can actually choose from, which is the recorded training and then the online live training.
So here we are on the courses. Before having a view of any courses, you have to come down here and click on details. So when you click on the details, you have two types of courses. You have the recorded training and you have the online live training. So when you click on the recorded training, you go on the dashboard where it's written submit. So immediately when you submit, you will see here, they told you you've chosen an option as recorded video training. So you have all the course content. You have the computer basic, MS Word, spreadsheets, presentation, basic internet tutorials, other resources, personalizing your desktop. You have introduction to KATon. You have goodwill message from Director General. You have Microsoft Teams. So if you want to view a training resources, you can click right here on view training resources. It will show you the videos of each courses. So this is on the computer basic. So you have an introduction of the computer lessons. And if you want to choose another option, you can go to next. It will bring you to the processing MS Word. So here you have a video of the MS Word courses as so on. You click. If you want to come back, you go to previous. You choose any of the topics that you would like to learn. So immediately when you are done, you can come back here. You want to change an option. You want to go to the online live training. You can and you submit. So it tells you that you have chosen an option as live video training. So you will see as well as the course content. On the course content, these are everything that goes on the computer basic. You have the introduction, Microsoft, Windows, everything that goes on the computer basic. It's the same thing as when you go on the word processing and others. So if you want to view as well some lessons on video, you can click right there and it will show you right here all the lessons that you need to know about the computer basic and many more. So if you want to come back, you go back on previous again. When we are done on the courses, you want to look through your library. You come on the library session. On the library, you have the books that will be displayed here. The book that you read on will be displayed here. And you can come back on other history. On the other history, you have other books that are going to be displayed here. So you can choose any book you would like to. If you want to read online, it is up to you. And you have the My Wish list. On My Wish list, you have the books that you wanted to read, you wished you would read them, but maybe you didn't have enough time or you couldn't read it for any other reasons. It will be displayed here. So immediately when you come on the My Wish list, you can click on any book that you saved in a way here and you can read them through. And we have the My Account. On the My Account, you have the edited profile, and here you can be able to display any picture you wish to display right here. So if you want to edit the profile, you want to change the name or the picture, it is up to you. You can just come here on the edit profile and edit any picture you would like to, or any informations that you would like to change. You have the address and phone number as well as the email. there is a possibility as well to change your password. If you feel that your account is not that okay anymore, you want to change your password, it's right here. You have the current password, the new password, and the confirm password. The confirm password is the confirmation of the new password that you applied here. So you put it here. And you have the logout. Anytime you want to log out on the KATon, you can just come, you log out. And when you want to log in, you go on the previous side, you go and you sign in. So basically, this is everything about KATon. So thank you for watching KATon, and we hope you enjoy it.
Visit katon.katechnologiesgh.com/training.